Welcome to Park 1, where modern living meets convenience and comfort. Located in the heart of Las Piñas, this is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. With stunning architecture and a prime location, Park 1 offers you the perfect blend of style and practicality. Step inside to experience a beautifully designed space made for modern living. Take a look at this spacious condo unit, featuring an open concept design, perfect for both entertaining and relaxing. The natural light pours in, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere throughout. Enjoy cooking in a fully equipped kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, sleek countertops, and custom cabinetry. Every inch of this space is designed with your lifestyle in mind. Relax in the spacious bedroom where comfort and style meet. Outside your condo, you'll find a wealth of amenities to elevate your living experience. A state-of-the-art fitness center, an inviting pool, and an elegant lounge area perfect for unwinding after a long day. Park 1 also offers game room, function room, co-working space, and of course, clubhouse. Situated in a vibrant neighborhood, you're just steps away from trendy restaurants, shopping, and parks. Everything you need is within reach, making this the ideal place to call home. Park 1 is 2 minutes away from Cavitex, 5 minutes away from SM City Sukat, 10 minutes away from Mall of Asia, 10 minutes away from Robinson's Las Piñas, and 15 minutes away from SM South Mall. Are you tired of long commutes and endless traffic? Imagine a life where your daily commute is simplified and you get to spend more time at home, not stuck in a car. Introducing Park 1, your ideal home just steps away from LRT 1. Whether you're heading to work or exploring the city, enjoy the convenience of being within walking distance to public transportation. No more stressful drives or crowded parking lots. Just a quick, easy ride to your destination. We understand that everyone has different tastes, and that's why we are offering you the chance to design it exactly how you want it. Imagine the possibilities. You could create a contemporary open concept living space with hardwood floors, or perhaps you prefer a chic, minimalist design with polished concrete. The options are endless. So let me show you the raw video of our studio unit that we offer here in Park 1. Does this sound like a place you could see yourself living? I'd love to discuss the next steps and show you how we can make this your new home. We can schedule a private tour or go over any details you'd like to know more about. Let me know what works best for you.